What's up, guys? It's your boy Baked Up Rose, and we are back here again with another video. So this time it's gonna be like a car vlog. It is gonna be a car vlog basically. And we got a gift for you guys today. We got a brand new 2022 Elantra. You might not hear it now because I don't got it in the N mode, but I'm about to turn it to the N mode now. As you see, it gets a little deeper. You probably ain't hear it before. I mean, now you could probably hear it a little more than before. Burps, the gurgles. Hopefully you guys can hear me clear. I forgot to put on my mic. Don't laugh at my face. I shaved it the other day, so you know I'm a little beard. I look like a nematode. Look like one of them motherfuckers on SpongeBob. I mean, I only had the car for a day, and so far, I've been loving it. I was a little upset about the insurance situation, because every time I get insurance with a new car, it acts stupid. Well, they set it up stupid, and then I have to go through another process of getting the insurance set up again. Hold on, I forgot to put my mic on, so just bear with me for a second as I put that on for you guys real quick. Hopefully the audio so far is alright. If not, hopefully the mic can help it hopefully the mic can help make it better. Alright guys, so we're back. We got the mic put on. Hopefully I can hear the sounds a little better. Maybe y'all can hear the sounds from back there. I wasn't too sure, but hey, we'll get some B-roll of it. So what's up guys, it's your boy Rose, and we are back here again with another video. So today, back here with a car vlog, and I bought myself a new car. So today, we got the brand new Elantra, and this is it right here. And we're going to be doing a few things to the car while we're over here. We're going to be taking off this front emblem right here. Yeah, we're going to be taking off the emblem, well, the badges right here too. And possibly this one too. So I'm gonna get started with some of what I got. It's hot as hell outside right now, I'm not gonna lie. But we're gonna get started with some of what I got, and then I'm gonna get back to you guys as I'm going with the video. Yeah, it's hotter than damn monkey balls out here. But let me see if this glue gone. Help me take the stuff off. Alright, so now that we have the badge off, we cleaned it with some glue gun. This is not no sponsor. Then all you gotta do is put this cover piece up here. And you know, won't look like nothing missing. So I'll be right back after I'm done with that. And now it's fit, nice and snug. It don't even look like nothing's missing from it. So now what we're gonna do is move on to the back of the car and debadge the Elantra lettering on the back, and possibly this too, because I don't really want that up there. So we're gonna get to that, and I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like after I get done with it. Alright guys, so as you see, I took off some of the lettering. Well, I took off all the lettering, but I wasn't able to take the adhesive part off, and I didn't take it off of here either. I'm gonna see when I'll get back, because I gotta get a blow dryer or something, or a heat gun, so I could finish taking off the rest of these letterings, because the glue gun isn't working up here. But so far I got off all the lettering so far, keeping that, and we're gonna continue on with this vlog. Alright, so you know, as I've been riding around, I've been getting the occasional, you know, that's nice. I like that. And you know, not many people know what it is, and you know, I want to keep it like that, because you know, it's not too many Elantra ends floating around here or floating around where I'm at, even though there's a pretty good amount like coming in, but there's not a lot of people buying it or looking at a car within like this market or something. So it's kind of a steal for the kind of car I'm getting. You know, it's fun. Got the dash. Got the boost, the nitrous. Well, it's not really nitrous, it's just boost, wasting your own gas. Got the 2 different modes. Every time I hear that pop and crackle, I smile. I don't know, it's something that I've been wanting to do to my cars. I've been wanting to upgrade them, upgrade the exhaust and stuff. But with car problems that I was having with my previous cars, you know, it just wasn't something that I was able to afford at the moment. But now I can. I'm not having any car issues at the moment, or I haven't been. You know, things been going good at the moment. So, you know, let's keep things going in that way, moving that way. And let's keep on enjoying our time and having some fun. And at the moment, I pulled up to one of my favorite spots that I like to pull up to, smoke, relax, whatever, you know. Talk to my friends and shit. Maybe this would be a nice spot to put the camera. I doubt it, cause how I drive and shit, I'm pretty sure this shit just gonna fall and flop over. I do have this arm bar, so give me a minute.